Okay, class. Well, now it's time to take a look how to create the references. So I, again, have a PowerPoint that has a voiceover, so I'm going to just go ahead and click that PowerPoint button. Here we go.
Okay, class. What I'm going to show you right now is how to create your APA citations for the reference page. What you're going to do is go to an internet page. I usually go to Google, and then you're going to type in www.citationmachine.net www.citationmachine.net, all one word, and click enter. Citation Machine is a wonderful tool that allows you to create your citations. I love using this. The only thing that I don't like about it is we do get a lot of pop-ups, but if you can work through that, you'll be fine. So here it is, a Citation Machine. So what we want to do is find the button that says Create Citations. You're going to click that. And now it allows you to choose any citation style, APA, MLA, Chicago, and some of the various others. We're doing APA. So let's go ahead and click our APA button. And then you're going to be greeted with several different tabs here. We have a book, magazine, newspaper, website, journal, film, and various others. Let's go ahead and click the book button. It actually defaults to that. You have two ways that you can do this. You can do autofill or manual. Let's take a look at autofill. What the autofill is doing is allows you to choose a book. So let's do our social problems. So we can type in social problems and see if that book actually comes up. Okay, so we found one, and it says Social Problems by Henry George. Now we know that that's not our book. And here's another one. And that doesn't look like our author, so we're just going to keep looking to see if our authors are listed. So far, I don't see them. Okay, so they're not listed here. So what that means is we have to do manual entry. So we're going to come back up here and click the manual entry button. And now what we're going to do is simply fill in the data. So we have the authors, we have the source title, publication, all of these variables that we need to put in. Now, as you know, we talked about in the previous video, we have 3 authors that we have to reference here. So it starts off with one author. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start here and add another author, and then click it again. And it tells you the variables that you have to put in: first name, middle, last name. So we're going to start with William. We don't have any middle initial. And it's Kornblum, K-O-R-N-B-L-U-M. Second author, Joseph. Julian. And the third contributing author is Carolyn Smith. Okay, so now we have our authors listed. Source title, so what is the title of the book? And it's called Social Problems. And now we want to take a look at the volume, edition, or series. Well, we know that we have various editions. We don't have volume or series. So we're just going to put in the edition. I have the 14th, so I'm just going to type in 14th. Now we have the publisher, city, state, and year that needs to be filled in. So you're going to find that right at the beginning of the book. like the fourth page in. And the publisher of this book is Pearson's Education Company. So I'm just going to put Pearson's Education Incorporated. And the city, again, you find that in the same spot. Sometimes it's easier to find than others. This is Upper Saddle River. And that is New Jersey. And then the year, as you recall from the last video, it's 2012. We don't have a DOI for this, or we don't need to add anything else, any annotative annotation. So we're just going to scroll down and create our citation. And now I got a video. As you can see right here, it is successfully created. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to format your reference page using this reference.
Okay, that is how you create a reference for anything. If you're talking about a textbook or you're talking about a journal, you just click those tabs and you fill in the data. Okay. I used a textbook there from another course, social problems. That might be a course you might take down the road. But it's the same thing if you're going to use this textbook. You just fill in the author's name, the publisher, and so on and so forth. All of those variables are put in, and then you just click Create Citation. It's really very simple, just like that.